Welcome to Dubai Auto Mechanica. This is our special tools trolley, 369 pieces tools inside the trolley, and this is designed. Fifth wheel is there. What the central lock is there. You can make it lock for full drawer on the central lock, and then there is another lock is there. This is another lock. You can open that lock. The tools quality for this mechanical tools is there, and tools shining and tools quality is very good. Made in Taiwan, this one. There is special tools for that, all the vehicles. There is spanners. All the spanners is there. See the spanners quality. This is spanners quality, and another drawer is there. These are all the spanners, and special spare tools is there. Okay, and then these all are the pliers, the screwdriver, pliers, and screwdriver's quality is here. And then there is for the some denting tools it is there for tire inflator, knife, scissor, and measuring meters and magnet. Okay, all filter changing, and small hammer is there, and for air this one inflator. And there is for last drawer, there is some small tools is there, some small tools is there like that. And this is actually our heavy duty tools trolley. Thank you.